Want to build a hotel booking and revenue insights dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our hotel booking data into Bricks. Import complete. Now, we'll click Create Dashboard and watch Bricks AI get to work. The AI is analyzing our data, identifying key patterns in bookings, revenue, and guest preferences. It's automatically creating multiple visualizations including booking status distributions, monthly revenue trends, room type demand analysis, and country-based revenue breakdowns. The system is generating both interactive charts and detailed data tables, building a comprehensive view of our hotel operations. Almost there as the AI puts the finishing touches on our dashboard. Perfect! Our hotel booking and revenue insights dashboard is complete with 7 dynamic charts and 2 data tables covering everything from booking sources to payment status. Let's customize the theme to match our brand. Now, we can switch to presentation mode for client meetings or executive reviews. This full-screen view highlights our key metrics beautifully, showing revenue trends, booking patterns, and operational insights in a clean, professional format perfect for stakeholder presentations. Back to the interactive view where we can drill down into specific data points and explore details. Try Bricks today and transform your data workflow.